it's a beautiful Saturday. I know most of you are on it. It was a hectic Friday. So okay, so yesterday you saw Madjozi finally met John Cena, but before then, also the Tangana they've never met. So he's surprised there. The surprise was perfect. She went crazy. But now, check this out. They finally sat down and have a chat. Check out the chat.
So, what do you want to say to Show? She loves you.
First of all, thank you for the kind words while I was hiding back there. I was hiding the whole time. I do post myself, and I don't caption anything because I kind of don't want the viewer of the account to... I want them to take away what they can, and people are finding inspiration in your song. And here's what you don't know, and she explained it very candidly, but her song is essentially about heartbreak, right?
Yeah.
But it's really cool because it's a high energy song, and you could take something negative in your life and express it creatively, and you've literally reached an audience around the world.
Oh my God.
Super, super impactful and super influential.
Cena, you are so well-spoken.
But no, that's the truth. Here we are in Los Angeles. She's from South Africa, geographically around the world. And you managed to create a dance challenge in my name. And we saw that I can't dance. We just saw it. Just saw it.
But wait, you used to
You did
rap.
the impossible.
Wait,
You're a rapper, yeah.
Yeah, you used to rap.
Yes.
Did you ever do a song?
I mean,
just saying.
I still got some bars. I'm 42. I don't at all.
That's what would make it awesome.
For you, yes.
That's
But this is the real one. It is the real. It's not a fake.
So that's weird, right? It's Johnson. Is that the real Johnson?
Because she's overwhelmed. Especially, I can't imagine being a child. I can't imagine, actually. You're a child and you grow up loving these people and that you idolize them and they change you. You know, they've made such an impact on you. And it's awesome to get to meet them, like, in real life, later in life. It's the coolest thing.
Are you kidding me? It's hearing that song. So I've been in WWE a long time, almost 20 years, and you forget the impact that you have on people. Yeah. And hearing that song, I'm like, you're cool. I'm not.
No.
So something like that kind of makes me half cool again, which is the best thing ever. Like, really, I'm so very excited and to know that, you know, essentially what I did had an impact on people around the world. That's also really cool.
Well, what do you want to say?
So amazing.
Oh, thank you.
What do you want to say to John? Now he's right in front of you.
Yeah.
It's just us. Nobody's watching. Let's just...
No.
Nobody can see you, first
Nobody
of all.
can. Everybody's like, who are you sitting next to on the couch?
The whole audience is like, she's really excited about that empty space.
Yeah. No. It's a WWE thing. That's it. You know what I'm talking about.
I can't see him. I think you're the coolest ever.
Wow, that's it.
I think you're the coolest ever. Like,
Thank you.
I would have gone by John Cena if you weren't already John Cena.
Well, here's the thing. It's not really my name. My dad's name is John Cena. So
No
I'm saying,
way.
if you want to borrow it, it's got legs.
Wait, what do you mean it's not your real name?
Well, it is my real name, but it's not my name. My dad's name is also John Cena. So
I thought maybe you were saying it was
at
your
family
real name.
functions, we have to fight to the death to see who gets the name for the evening. It's
That's
pretty nice.
amazing.
No, but yeah, go ahead. No, you stick with Show Madjozi because now
Madjozi is
everyone
rad.
around the world knows Show Madjozi.
It's infectious.
Thank you very much for watching. With more and more news still coming. Don't forget to subscribe.
On the beats, DJ people on the beats, ass about.